Where could we have that? It must be here.
Shopping for snacks in Stockholm has got a lot simpler in recent years.
My PIN code, and then it's done.
In part, that's thanks to cashless payment systems, like the one developed by entrepreneur Peter Fredell.
Cash presents a lot of problems for society as a whole. I mean, a lot of people actually want to use cash, but in Sweden, it's definitely lower and lower and lower.
While an estimated 55% of US consumer payments are made with cash, in Sweden, that number is now down to 41%.
We are connected to the cashier system. We're there, but we also have the network because we're sitting on the mobile data network, so we're up in a store in a second.
Fredell's firm, Seamless, now operates in 30 different countries. But here in internet-enabled Sweden, it's just one of several companies competing to replace cash.
There's a strong IT, digital entrepreneurship phase in Sweden now, where entrepreneurial companies really want to challenge the old banking industry by providing these new innovative mobile payment services.
The old banking industry has reacted, with 6 of Sweden's largest banks banding together in 2012 to build an instantaneous mobile payment platform, Swish.
We share the development costs. We see that customers are adopting new technology like mobile payments, and of course we also saw this need where we could replace cash.
The idea that banks could cooperate to kill off cash might be unthinkable elsewhere. But it's not so surprising in Sweden, where bills and coins recently constituted less than 3% of the country's domestic product. That's compared to an average across the euro area of almost 10%. Many bank branches here no longer carry hard currency. Homeless magazine vendors, like Jimmy here, use wireless card readers to accept credit and debit card payments.
And then I press this?
Yeah. And certain cell phone stores sport signs saying no cash accepted. But in Sweden, which printed Europe's first banknotes 350 years ago, these new technologies have not stopped the central bank from designing new notes for 2015.
This is a security feature that will be on all of them.
Susanna Gruffman may control the country's physical currency, but says she herself never carries cash.
We are quite neutral, even though we are the one who provide the society with cash. We don't necessarily say that cash is, for example, when you look at efficiency, the best payment instrument.
In a nation where ever fewer retail transactions are carried out in cash and almost everyone has access to the internet, the new kronas coming out next year may be the last ones the Swedes ever need.